Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are solving Leetcode 13 problem, Roman to integer. So it is basically a problem of converting Roman numbers to a integer value. So to solve this problem we need hash table to keep track of the numbers and its value. So let let's solve it. So first of all we create a memory which is a hash table. So creating memory, so it is a hash table which map from Roman value to integer value. So 1, I means 1, V means 5. So as you can see here, I created memory which map from Roman number to integer values, but here we have a problem. So let me show you. So suppose we want to convert this Roman string to the corresponding number as given in the example. So what M stand for? M means the 1000 plus what is C stands for? C means 100, and again M we have 1000. So as you can see here, the CM is interpreted separately, which is CM stand for CM along with M stand for 900. So this should be 900, but problem we are facing is we are iterating one character at a time. So how do we eliminate this kind of problem we are facing? So to solve this problem we first need to interpret these characters separately. So one way to do this is we loop through from from starting to end, and if we face these kind of characters like I, X and C, then we also check for the M. So this is one way which is like kind of brute force, but I do have another way which is more efficient. So like this, for example, okay, let's say we have two variables called the previous and the current. So current value, let's say current value is also. So what we actually do is we iterate from the back of the string, and while we iterate we check if the previous value is if the previous value is greater than current or not. If it is greater than the current, then we will add the current value to the result, or if it is less than the current value, then we will subtract it. Because, so for example, if we take a V which is 5 in this case and I, so this should be a current value. For the first iteration this should be a current value and previous should be a 0, and we check if this value is greater than previous value or not. So it is obviously greater than, because 5 is greater than 0. and again we change this to the previous value and this is to the current, and we say that if this value is greater than or not this value, previous value. So if it is greater than previous value, then what we will do is we will subtract the current value, because by joining I and V we are getting 4. So 4, I and V can be interpreted as a 4. So we are essentially, what exactly we are doing is we are subtracting the previous value from the current value. So this is how we iterate from, this is how we do. So basically, let me write the code. So we iterate from so we are iterating from backward of a string as usual, and we are capturing the current value, current character, which is s of I, and we are checking if the current is greater than equal to the previous value. If it is greater than equals to the previous value, what we do, so if current is greater than the previous value, then we'll do the normal iteration, which is just to concatenate or add the result to the add the current value to the result, and if previous is greater than the current value, then we subtract to get the desired output. So we subtract the current value, and at last we need to change the current value previous value to current, and just return the result. So basically this is the code for the, so let me run this. So as you can see guys, so this code is accepted. Thank you for watching.